Shooby, 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 shooby doo. What's up, everybody? Got a little tool haul for you for today. Hell yeah. This one was crazy to get the items, but we got the items. I literally tracked down one Snap-on driver driving down the road. He was nice enough to pull over for me, so got that truck. And then driving down the road, there was a truck sitting at a shop, and I flipped the U-turn and got on his truck. So, lo and behold, we got a small Snap-on tool haul for you. If y'all want me to do the flyers, leave it down in the comments below. Yes or no. Up to you guys. I'll give you till Friday to make up your minds. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and show you what I got. It is the LN. Not the LN. Haha. These ain't the LN. These are the LN. LN 46 ACF. Short handle pliers. Still with the long nose. 3 different setting points. Nonetheless, really nice. They also have the Talon grips. Pretty cool. The groove joint pliers come for grip. These are the 47 ACFs. Yes, they are Snap-on, and they are heavily stamped USA made. Along with, these should be stamped USA too. USA right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Next item we got is a tread depth gauge from Blue Point. Part number on that is TDG1. So, not bad at all. We'll go ahead and get this little bugger out of the package. The way this works, put that in the tread of your tires, press down, goes all the way down here to the red. You got bad, yellow is caution time, and green, you still got good tread depth on your tires. So, if you ain't got one of these, no matter if you drive semi-truck or your personal vehicle, get you one. It'll help you inspect your tires to make sure you got the right tread depth on your tires. And last but not least, got me a nice little hat. Pretty cool. But I know this is a short video, but nonetheless, hey, that's a Snap-on tool haul. Got this far? If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, turn on all notifications on that bell, Hulk smash that like button, share it to your friends, leave me a comment, and until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning. And the Raging Cajun will catch you on the next one. Peace out.